Right, and we begin our Thursday birthdays over in Fredonia with Bristol Hosley turning 5 years old today. Bristol, a very happy birthday to you.
All right, and Scarlett Quinn Holly celebrating birthday number 5 this year. What a cute little picture there of Scarlett. She's in Frontenac with love from the entire family.
And we've got Harley Castagno celebrating birthday number 6. And this comes with love from Mom and Dad. Harley, a very happy birthday to you.
In Oswego, Kansas, Lander Johnson celebrating birthday number 7. It's 7 strong for Lander.
And we've got Jasmine Whitchurch celebrating birthday number 11 in Jasper. This comes with love from Granny and Papa Charles.
I've never seen that spelling for Jasmine, and that is really beautiful.
That is, absolutely.
All right. And Allison Pullman, turning 12 years old this year. Happy birthday to Allison with love from Mom.
And Trey Strahan celebrating birthday number 21. And this comes with love from Mom as well. Trey, happy birthday.
All right, Trey. And a happy birthday to Aaron Ray, who's 27 years old this year. He's got his cake already. Aaron is in McCune.
And Jody Ewan celebrating birthday number 34 in Thayer. Jody, a very happy birthday to you.
Oh, that's in Pittsburgh.
I skipped. See, this is what happens. I don't always read right across the line. Jody's in Pittsburgh. Our next birthday that Tanya's got is from Thayer.
That's right. Happy birthday, Jody. And happy birthday, Tanya Thornton in Thayer, celebrating number 58 this year. Looking great there, Tanya.
And celebrating a belated birthday in Mapleton, Kansas is Gary Saker, turning 70 yesterday. So that just means that Gary gets to celebrate through the rest of the week and into the weekend. So Gary, a very happy birthday to you.
All right. And Phyllis Maybe in Columbus. Happy birthday. Hope you have a great day.
And we've got Stacy Bacon celebrating a birthday in Pittsburgh. Now, Stacy's birthday was also yesterday, and she happens to work at the Bryant Student Health Center at Pitt State. So a very happy belated birthday, Stacy, and you can spend, again, the rest of this weekend, the weekend celebrating. Why not?
All right, and one of our Nightside producers there, that's him on the right, Zach Dobbs. I'm pretty sure.
I'm not convinced. I think
penguin?
Dobbs could be.
Is that a penguin on the left? Or an owl?
No, there's a penguin on the right, and Dobbs is on the left. You've got it all backwards.
Oh, my bad.
Dobbs is a phenomenal guy. I've had the pleasure of working with him for the last several years, and we wish him a very happy birthday, as he's now our evening producer for 6 and 10 o'clock newscast. Hey, but our list doesn't end here with Dobbs. We continue to celebrate with Roseanne Smith in Frontenac and Chloe McCulley celebrating birthday number 16, also in Frontenac. Now, this list keeps getting better and better, and we keep seeing more photos, and we want to see more and more and more and more. And Tanya's going to tell you how you can get them to us.
That's right. All you have to do is send them to us at either of these emails, picture and all the details, to birthdays@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And I say that we want to see more and more and more. I think the folks in the back are probably like, no, please, because they have to build all these things by hand. And
they do a great job, too.
They do a phenomenal job, but boy, I tell you, if we were to get, 40, 50 birthdays in a single show, they might go a little stir crazy. But that's all right, because we want them. And make sure, when you visit our website for everything else you need to know, that you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do. You get special deals from local businesses. In addition, you get a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. Just sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club by heading to KOAMNewsNow.com.